Okay, here we start. 9PD sub-male connector has terminals solderable to wires. 9PD sub-female connector has terminals solderable to wires too. 9P to 9PD subgender hood case top has a part to put the label on its center. 9P to 9PD subgender hood case bottom has a part to put the label on its center too. This is wire stripper. Let's get the end of the wire, which is to be soldered to pin number 2 of 9PD sub-male connector, stripped off. Next, put heat shrinkable tube on it for the insulation and fix it on solder helping tool. Fix 9PD sub-female connector on solder helping tool too. Now, let's begin the soldering of pin number 2 of the connector. As you can see, this is how the wire is firmly soldered to its terminal. Apply heats to the shrinkable tube. Keep applying heats until it becomes shrinked to fit its size. Next to go is to solder the wire to pin number 3 of the female connector. Yes, use wire stripper to get its end stripped off. Fix the connector on solder helping tool again. Move the end of the solder tip from the begin point of the strip part to its end point. Pin number 3 of the connector is getting soldered now. And applying heats to the shrinkable tube to fit its size. This is how the nicely done soldering work should be look like. Now we go on pin number 5 of the connector. Repeating the things done for soldering pin number 2 and pin number 3. Pin number 2, pin number 3, and pin number 5 are soldered. At this point of the making, let's do some checkings for fitting the case. Next to go is to solder the male side of the connector. Since things are the same as what have been done for the female connector assembly, we go fast on it. Of course, checking the pinout should be done before soldering. Using tweezer is recommended for the precision soldering. Again, this is how it should be look like. Fit the shrinkage tube to its sides. Now we move on to the connector case assembly step. Checking the connectivity of each wire is required before that. Alright, checkings are complete now. We prepare the case components then. Put those fixing screws on the position first. Place the top cover onto it. And press softly down from the top. Check if each of the component gap is closed tightly. Checkings are done now. Now, it's labeling the case. Put the label with its back unremoved on the place first to fit in the center before the applying. I used LW-C410 label printer for printing out the labels. Seems like all placed right. Now we go same on the opposite side of the case. I also recommend to use tweezer to apply labels on the case. Using tweezer allows you to choose the place to apply the label precisely. It's all complete now. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll come up with my new work. Thank you.